I'm Dre. With the AK.
We're not against this, so get out of my way.
I'm your Yashi, the crazy fucking Asian.
I'm Wolf Boy and it's always my birthday.
I'm Tuff Pumping the calm one, but I'm not calm right now. Not me! No! I'm Simba the King! Come on, I want some more of those, yeah, because I am, man.
Nigga, you need to stop, because I don't know what the fuck going on? I cannot stop singing.
No, I cannot stop singing. Yeah, I'm a fucking birthday.
Everybody, shut the fuck up, because we don't know why the fuck are we singing. Ooh.
Aye, everyone shut the fuck up, okay? Shut up!
No way! Shut up!
Oh no, not this nigga again. What do you want?
I want to tell you something. I want to sing a song. March, let's sing. We are buddies, we are dummies, we do nothing but poop. We are stupid and we do not have brain, we're sing all day.
I am Max, and I'm a stupid piece of crap. I'm a fuckboy, I'm retarded, and I'm a fucking punk.
I'm a fire, and I'm just stupid. I do not know what 2 plus 2 is. I failed my math class, and I failed my reading. I don't even know how to eat. I failed science, and I failed art. I failed gym, cause I'm weak as a bum. I failed everything, and I ran off, cause hold on, came after me and killed me. We are bunnies, we are dummies. We got the city girls. We are dummies, we are bunnies. Yeah, that's just how we are. So if you got something to say, oh yeah, please call me an idiot. Now it's time to go back in my house and that's a fucking trash bag.
Don't be fucking second! Sorry, y'all. I really hate musicals. Anyway, man, how was y'all day?
It was good, Bob. It was good. I just wish I could get a car, though. But I don't have a driver's license.
Well, you're gonna have to wait, bro. I mean, I have a car of my own. So I'm gonna just go in my car, and I don't know. See y'all. And I know I be disappearing every fucking episode, but hey, I'm a superhero. I got shit to do.
Hey man, I wish I had a fucking car.
Look, man, you might get a car one day, but you're not really that good at driving. Cause last time you drive, well, more than the last time you drove.
I mean, I don't have my license, but I'm gonna do it. You was in the fucking hospital for fucking months. Literally, fucking, you was in the hospital for over a fucking year after that shit. I don't think you should get a car. You know what? I'm gonna show you all wrong. I'm gonna get a car that can drive itself. Fuck y'all. I just wish that they have it on TV. Let me turn on the TV, man.
Hey guys, I'm Mickey Mouse, And do you guys want to drive a fucking car like that? But don't have a driver license? Well, I mean, I don't have a driver license, But I have a car, So why don't I have that car, Well,
We are selling these cars, Not that, Sorry, I'm saying, It's a fucking cars, We have, this shit right here. That can drive itself, Yeah, I am very cool. And I am from Russia. I'm a car from Russia, and I'm cool. Yes, you is, So if you want one, you better go buy one,
Yo, I want that car so bad. I'm gonna go get one right now. Yo, Mickey Mouse, aren't you the one that's selling the car?
Yes, I am, I know I sound like Yo Yassi. Oh, I know I sound like Yo Yassi, but I'm not. I'm Mickey Mouse, And yes, I sold a car right here.
How much do it cost?
It costs, hold up. Goofy, how much money should we scam this kid? I say about like, $3,000, okay. MP, $3,000,
Look here, motherfucker. I know you're trying to fucking scam me.
I'm not,
Bitch. Let me take my fucking car. How do this thing work? I don't think it's working. Whoa! And turn on. Well, hello, car. Cause I think this is a talking car, so hello, car.
I am a car from Russia. And I will work for you. All you got to do is put $5 in me. And I'ma work.
Oh, fuck was scam me for that? Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, it's Disney, man, so I mean, they do be scamming niggas. Fine, let me get $5. Alright, there you go. Now, take me to my location. I want to go to the store. Boom! Alright. Oh, whoa! This is sick! Whoa!
What the fuck is that? I don't want money you having a car. You don't even have a driver license.
Just letting you know. This is my sick hot wine. Meet Lightning McQueen. Talk, Lightning McQueen for Russia.
I am Lightning McQueen for Russia. And I came here to take over to be a cur. Yes. Can I talk to you, Tough Puppy?
Yeah, you can talk to me, man. Alright, let's go talk.
Look, Tough Puppy, I know you haven't had a car in a long time, but I have to tell you, man, that car is not safe for you. Okay, I can tell it's bad, man.
You just jealous, Yo Yassi, because you didn't get a cool car like me, man. Not since you're jealous, you being fake, I'ma leave, man, with my real friend. That's my car. Come on, car. Nobody else's will. Come on. Whoa, you crazy, car. Whoa. Why you do that for, car?
I am sorry, bitch. I accidentally do stuff like that. Let's just go to the store.
Alright, let's go to the store. Whoa, man. Jeez. Don't do that. Whoa. Oh! Damn! Calm down! Alright. Yo! Stop! Jeez! You do a little bit too much.
I'm sorry, but in Russia, we are insane in cars.
Yes, I know. Let me just go to the... Oh. Fucking hell, man.
I am going to leave because he is a bitch. I am going to go take over the United States because I am from Russia.
Oh, that's enough day, and whoa! Where's my car? This the fucking... I'm so fucking done with my car, y'all. My fucking car wanna keep crashing and falling into random places, fucking keep doing all this bad shit, and now it left? No, I'm about to take this nigga's car, yo. Fuck this, yo. I don't care about no driving license. We're gonna go get him, yo. Ah!
I'm going the wrong way. Wait, who is that? Oh shit! That is Tuff puppy. He is coming for my ass. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh!
Come on! You are going to fucking pay!
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Are you from Russia? I don't care! You're from Russia! You are going down! Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah!
You're not getting away! Come here! I'm so proud of you!
Look, no matter all the guitars we have, please do not kill me.
It's too late. Should I never fuck with the Tuff puppy?
No! Now! I am from Russia! No!
That's the last time I am ever getting a fucking call from Russia. Now, I'ma just go get my driver license from Mrs. Puff. Yo, SpongeBob, where you at?
Nigga, we drill, 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 drill.